Hi, my name is Derek Martinez, and we went to a seminar that JD, the Daisy Family Planning, was putting on, and we basically went there because this is my first child that's going to college, and we didn't have a clue where to start. And in listening to JD at the seminar, he gave a lot of good information, so we met with him afterwards, and he has just walked us through step by step through the process, from financial aid to how to fill out applications, websites to go on to find out as much information as we could in the college process. So it has made it so much easier for both myself and my daughter in doing the process, and we greatly appreciate it. We would recommend it to anybody that is planning on putting their child into college, and it's just a great way to go if you don't know anything about it.